Hi, this is Prashant from second year of Computer Science and Engineering department. Today I am going to do a third program in oriented programming in C++. Now let's see the question. Actually, by using a structure concept, we have to do a program today. A point on the two-dimensional plane can be represented by two numbers, an x and coordinate and a y coordinate. For example, 4, 5 represents a point of 4 units to the right of the vertical axis and 5 units up from the horizontal axis. The sum of 2 points can be defined as a new point whose x coordinate is the sum of coordinates of the 2 points and whose y coordinate is the sum of y coordinates. Develop a program that uses a structure called point to a model point. Define the 3 points and have the user input values of 2 of them. Then set the third point equal to the sum of the other 2 and display the value of the new point. Interaction with the program might look like this. Now let's see the program. Hash include IOStream is nothing but it is a call for compiler, which is a header file of input and output function by using namespace std. Here, by using a structure condition, here a structure type is known as points and float is nothing but a structure data type, and by using a variable x and y. This is a syntax of a structure. Now I'm going to teach about int main, that is main function. Int is nothing but a return data type. Point p1, p2, p3 is nothing but it is a pointer which has a variable of p1, p2 and p3. Now enter the value of x and y coordinates for plane 1 by using the cout statement. We have to give the values of x and y to the p1 which is told by the user and p1 dot x into p1 dot y. Here dot operator is used. This statement is told by cin. Similarly, enter the x and y value of a coordinate for plane 2, and here also by using a dot operator by cin statement we have to initialize the value of x and y. Here already we have seen in the question. See, then set third point is equal to the sum of other 2, that is p1 plus p2 is equal p1 plus p2 is equal to p3, that is x is equal to p1 dot x plus p2 dot x for x coordinate for plane 3 and y is equal to p1 dot y plus p2 dot y for y coordinate. So by using a cout statement, by user is telling to the computer that we have to initialize the value of p3 by using a statement as coordinate of plane 1 plus plane 2 is equal to p3 dot x. This comma is used to do the statement in a similar line. Hence we have used int main, that is return data type integer. So they didn't give or they didn't specify any value for return, so I have to take a return value or initialize the return value as 0. Then we have to see whether we have done a curly braces and a semicolon, comma, whether we have used AND operator and the syntax of structure, etc. Now first I'm going to build a program. See, There is no error. Now I'll run the program. Enter x and y coordinate for plane 1. I'm going to enter 5 and 7. For plane 2, I'm going to enter 8 and 9. See, for P3, coordinates of plane 1 plus plane 2 is equal to, see, 5 plus 8, 13, and 7 plus 9 is 16. That is P3 x and y coordinate for plane 3 is 13, 16. That's it. Thank you.